Good kicking! Sam wanted me to take this video of him swimming. He insisted. Does Sam love to swim?
Yes.
Yay! It's so much fun. And here's Noah.
Oh, that was fun.
Are you going to jump in, Noah? Jump. 1. Ready? I think he's going to jump for us. Okay, ready? Ready? Set. Go! Okay, maybe not. 1. You ready, Noah? Ready? Huh? No, don't pick your nose. Come on. Ready? Set. Go!